Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and start the market for today. Happy New Year, and let us get right to it for today. Friday, the market is doing huge for many stocks. Before we go further, remember our content here for educational purpose only, everybody. So, how everybody doing? ABS is the first one in the house. Dougal, welcome, brother. China stimulus talk. Interesting. Happy New Year, brother. Yes, the party already started. We have a nice reversal for the market. We got a really good reversal so far. Let's see if we're gonna have a strong close for today. Hopefully, we have a strong close for the market for Friday or the second of this year. Let's get right to it. So first of all, we got IRWD. This is one of the top stocks for now, hitting a major level of resistance around the 480. CHOW hitting a major resistance as well around the 107. We already discussed this one early on our pre-market watch list early on here. We discussed CHOW. We said the resistance profit taking is around the 106, and now it is around the 105. So it's about to test our resistance profit taking right now. UAVS looking all right if we held the current support now, which is technically over the $1. SIDU pulling back a little bit. We have a huge resistance around $3.89. VNDA pull back from the 911. So I'm gonna take it from the list here. The rest of the markets we got. Let's see. Are you here, brother? We have questions. Question from Uji Trader about SMX and Baba. So let me know, brother, if you are watching the live streaming. So we cover those stocks for you right now because SMX jumping 28% up, was the top gainer or top loser last Wednesday, 68%. Good morning, Clifton. Happy New Year, brother. Bonjour, Fabrice. Thank you. Karina, Happy New Year. How are you doing? Hopefully you're doing all right. Um, Beyond Me, it started with the short of 208. The short is still shorting. You're not getting enough from shorting, man. Yeah, we got a little bit of bounce for Beyond Meat, everybody. And now it's putting back again. Yeah, they're confident that the stock will go down. That's why they're still shorting. Okay, so as we said, the COO show and IRWD are the top stocks. We got another requested stock here, PAVS Brace. We'll check it out. Top loser for today, we got OTLK or Outlook. I think we have bad news about the free trial or about the trial, one of their drugs. Pharmaceutical company, pretty much risky, guys. OTLK. We'll see if we have a reversal like SMX today reversing after 68% drop last Wednesday. The reversal already happened early in the pre-market. We reversed 100% already. So it looked all right for another test here. This one looking interesting, guys. 60% drop for Outlook. I keep it on the list for a potential trade. ASST, their short interest is 42%. Let us check the requested stock. Here we got BPAVS, SLS Vietnamese, and ASST. Okay. PAVS. We got a nice jump here. Have a support around the 195. Current resistance already been tested around the $2.35. It might jump again toward the 257 if we broke the $2.35. So yeah, BAVS looking interesting. SLS jumping 17%, but the technical is a bit shady. We have a big seller over the 4, so watch out for the 4. Looking great support around the 4. Yeah, the 4 is the strongest support now, or let's say, just in case, around $3.85. Yeah, we got almost the $5 we might hit for SLS. Current maybe resistant is just around the 450. But the one thing that I don't like is light on volume for now. ASST 4%. However, yeah, it's dropping for a new low, so it's a bit weak. Yeah, it might drop some more toward the 50 at least 56. So now it's still very bearish if it's below the $1. Yeah, the $1 is the psychological level that we have to break for ASST. Otherwise, we're gonna go toward 55 territory. But yeah, the main list for today, PAVS could be good, but I will put it on the top. IRWD and Shock and UAVS are on the main list. SIDU, as we discussed earlier, we have to break over the 3.90 to have a squeeze up and hold over the 3.37 if we want to have action. So we have to watch for this one as well. 16% outlook. One of the top loser before now is on the top gainer technically because it reversed 100%, but it's still in red because it dropped big time on major bad news. It dropped almost 81%, then reversed now almost 61% or 100% because of FDA rejection. Eye drug for the third time. FDA rejects eye drug. Third time, man. This is a lot. 3 times rejection for FDA approval. That's why it jumped down for Outlook. We got Emoji Trader ask about Baba. So Baba jumped nicely with the market. We have some good news about Chinese stocks. I think we got some really good news. 140 should be the support for this year or this month. And we got a resistance that we might hit on profit taking is on the 166.66. And for SMX, on the other hand, it dropped a lot, 68% last Wednesday, and now have a support to hold over the 15 and bottom around the 810. If we held over the 15 and break the 28, this will be a drastic change in the chart and go on the bullish side toward the 44, but now it's still bearish. Going back to the main list. Welcome, oh, welcome, oh, welcome, everybody. We have 10 minutes left at the market open. In China, shorting stock is illegal. I don't know about that. Welcome, welcome, everybody. We got a few minutes left, guys. If shorting will be illegal, I think we're gonna have we're gonna have the market going up to the roof and never go down. So it's kind of shorting is like rodents or cockroaches or insects, you know. They're you think they're not important, but is good and important for the ecosystem, you know. So don't say mosquitoes and rats and rodents are bad. No, they're food for other animals. So if you want to delete or kill all the rodents and cockroaches, you make the ecosystem unbalanced and hurt everybody. So shorting is the same. If you delete shorting from trading, you're gonna hurt the market as well. Maybe temporary, not for the old time. If the market is okay, there is no big crash, and there is no shorting, this is will hurt the market. Everything will be hyperinflated. But this is a special times in 2008 and COVID are special times. Call for special measures. It's like saying the sun never sets in the morning or whatever, but there's exception. If you go to the North Pole or the South Pole, the sun will never set. Or if you waited the eclipse and never, the sun will be kind of hidden in the middle of the day. So those are exceptions for the rules. Don't tell me about the eclipse or in the North Pole. There is always exceptions. Karina, the problem is what people never tell you. Manipulation is always there. If there's a human, there is always manipulation. Maybe in the future, when AI or AGI will control everything, maybe we could have a market free from manipulation if AI will be the one who trading. But if a human is inside the system, we always gonna have manipulation. Human are the flaw, man. Men. That's why we fall from the heaven, because we are flawed. Good afternoon, John. How you doing, man? So, guys, we got 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left. We got PAVS Outlook. We have a huge drop for this one, guys. This one we have a rejection for FDA approval. That's why it dropped 60%. And this news. This IDU 17% it need to break this resistance. UAVS need to break the 118. CHOW need to break the 107 to squeeze up. IRWD the same. $4.77. It is the level that we should hit for today and go over. Let me just check again if we got something hidden in the market. Nothing much, nothing much. So watch out, everybody. We got 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left. Hopefully, we have a green day for today. Welcome, everybody. Whatever you are, welcome. We always do our live streaming every day, 30 minutes before the market open. And of course, so we do our update early on our Discord and Bitcheon. We did for COHOW. If you don't know, guys, we always do a watch list before the market open on Discord. And this one, it was really great. to enter before the market open because the price was around the 91, and now we hit the 106 before the market open, which was the resistance profit taken. We hit, I think, 105, just 1 cent before our resistance, and we might have this breakout at the market open as long as we hold the 87. Yes, this is will be a great indicator that we're gonna have a nice squeeze for CHOW. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way in, guys. Make sure to hit and spank or slam the like button on the way and support the channel. This is the best way to support our channel, guys. So, good morning, everybody. Good morning. Happy New Year, John. Hopefully, this year will be profitable and green for our traders. 2 minutes left. Let's go. 2 minutes left. We have a nice jump right now for the market. Yes, sir. We got a nice. What the? Yes. Watch out, guys. Intel. We got big buyer for Intel. We hope find a big buyer for Intel. 4%. We need 4% for Intel. We need at least 2% at the market open. Will be great. Watch out, guys. Intel, I think we have major news for Intel. NVIDIA, AMD are forcing off how NVIDIA. Yeah, we have some news. NVIDIA invested 5 billion, but won't use Intel Foundry for chip production, reversing earlier plan to manufacture chip with Intel process. Anyway, we have a huge news with NVIDIA, guys, with Intel and NVIDIA. This is will make Intel squeeze. Palantir tested a nice support today around the 177.20. Hopefully we'll hold this level and do another jump of 5% today. Would be great to watch and see. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Who's ready for today? IRWD, CHOW hitting the 106, I think. Yes, before the market open. Good morning. Hit the like button, guys. We got 30 minutes before the market open. Let's have a green day for today. Welcome, welcome, everybody. Let's go. Market is open. CHOW looking great. IRWD pulling back fantastically. UAVS testing the resistance. Really good. Around the 118. So UAVS looking strong. CHOW looking strong. SIDU the same. Outlook is reversing. PAVS testing the resistance. It want to go up so bad. Let's see. Yeah, PAVS. Okay, okay. Intel. Let's go. Intel is jumping big time right now. Let's go, Intel. We have a big buyer for Intel, guys. Let's go. Big buyer for Intel right now. For Intel. Come on. Boom. Yeah, Intel. We have a big buyer for Intel, 4% right now. Nice. Intel, we have a nice buyer. APLD, Trine, Palantir is pulling back. I don't know why Palantir is going back. Intel 4%. Marvel, MRVL looking great here for a breakout, guys. MRVL looking great. Yeah, we need MRVL to break this resistance. What's going on with Palantir, man? The only one is going down is Palantir. Okay, waiting MRVL to go up. B is going down, APLD, MSTR. Yeah, Intel tested the resistant big time and pull back. MRVL could be really good to watch, guys, right now because it's testing a major breakout zone that I was waiting for days. Okay, MRVL looking great. AMD, we got 4% for AMD. Something strange happening for AMD. Interesting. Intel, we got a nice buyers testing now. MRVL, the same. We got a big buyer for it now. Yeah, Marvel, guys, looking fantastic right now. We have a nice breakout for it. I'm gonna put alert here for MRVL. What's going on with Palantir? Why are we going down? Palantir to it as top tech Viking. We have a lot of good news for Palantir, but it's kind of going down big time. I don't know why. Okay, let's see. CHOW pulling back down. We have a nice support for it here over the 97. UAVS is pulling back. IRWD, we have a breakout. SIDU is about to break out. OTLK, not for now. PAVS, not for now. Beyond Meat pulling back. CGC, we got SOBA is pushing back up. CETX, NCL. Let's see the requested stocks here. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Whatever you are, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget. Okay, CHOW pulling back. PUAVS. Yeah, IRWD looking fantastic. And PAVS. Those the two that look great. INTC pushing back up. Marvel, let's see if we're gonna go up for Marvel right now. Yeah, we're going up for Marvel. Come on, we need some action. Good morning, everybody. So yeah, the market is doing a little bit good for today. Ah, راجل. Oh, God. The market is still slow. It's going up and down. Okay, so the market is still undecided for today. A little bit undecided. AMD and Intel did really great for today. IRWD, guys, is number one. It hit two levels, and I think it's halted up right now. It's getting near the $6.11. Yeah, the $6.11 could be a major resistance right now for A or IRWD. Yes, this is the top one for today. The other one we got PAVS didn't break, and CHOW, guys. This one was really great to enter early on our Discord. We suggest to exit around the 106 and 120. We hit the 114 and we pull back. We pulled back a lot, guys. So it's not that good now. I'm taking it from the list, keeping UAVS and SIDU, and seeing the rest. SLS, it might be good for today to watch as well. BNAI hitting the scan. Holy baloney. BNAI looking great now. Yeah, best. Yeah, those the top stocks for now, guys. BNAI, one of the top stocks before, now is hitting the scan and hitting a major resistance. Yes, around the $3.35. Yes, doing fantastic now. And the current support around the 248. Yeah, that we should hold for today. Interesting. Really interesting for Intel. Didn't expect this humongous jump. Oh, what's going on, man? Remember, guys, APLD have earning the next week, Wednesday. So we expect some action before. It filled the gap and reversed now. B, guys, looking interesting. 7% testing again the resistance around the 93. AMD, we got a huge reversal, guys. A really good reversal here for AMD. Yeah, the market is plugging. The market doing all right now. We have a nice recovery, especially for AVGO. Let us check the stock that been halted for today. We got LVRO. It's been halted. Let's check this one. LVRO. What else? We got DRAY. LVRO got halted a lot, but nobody told me about it. Why is that? Yeah, LVRO light on volume, but it is the top gainer now. But I don't like the technical that much. Let's check the top gainers for today. The BNAI hit the resistance now around the $3.40. SMX still jumping up. And the rest is on the waiting list. Walk is hitting the scam here. Of course, it's gonna go down. APLD doing fantastic here. Yeah, BNAI, I'm gonna add a bit of support, guys, around the $2.98. The other support is around the $2.55. Interesting. BBI had some news with some contracts and voting against dilution. Lunar might get ready to break. BNAI looking great as well, is preparing to break. Let's see Lunar. Where's Lunar? Lunar 7%. Yeah, it's preparing to break here around the 1750, guys. Gonna put Lunar on the main list. Thank you for the reminder, man. Yeah, Lunar is good. SIDU is good. Outlook maybe is good. Okay. So we've got a nice reversal for Beyond Meat, guys, for the first trading day for 2026. So we have to discuss the urgent update for Beyond Meat and where the price will go because the market makers start to buy. Before we go further, remember our content here for education purposes only. Look at this, guys. We got a really good reversal as we discussed from the last week around the 80 cents because all the market is doing fantastic, especially MRVL. They're doing all right. Intel doing fantastic. So the market is strong for today. That's why we have a good reversal for Beyond Meat of almost 6%. And what we take from this, we should watch for the 80 cent as a bottom. And of course, for today, we have to break the 95 cents. You see, we have a nice buying pressure at the day of or yesterday. The market maker saw this opportunity here. The market maker bought a little bit, but we're going to confirm if the market maker actually or the whale bought. Beyond meat, we have to break this current resistance, which is around the 95. Even if we broke this level, we technically still inside this channel, and this channel will be broken and confirmed around the 116. Or let me just confirm again here around the 120 to confirm a major squeeze for Beyond Meat for 2026. And this year, of course, what we expect here, we expect at least 100% to go nearly around the $2. As long as we hold the 80 cent, of course, because the 80 cent, it is where we gapped up today, and we have another gap here fill, and the price pulled back up again. 5%. The volume is not big because it's just 6 million. We know that Beyond Meat did almost 100 million and above when we squeezed before, when we squeezed here around Monday, 1st of December, and we squeezed here on October last year, 2025. So now we need to have another squeeze, which is holding the 80, breaking the 95 and go toward the 120, 150, and almost the $2. Let me go, guys, in the comment section below what you think about the price action for Beyond Meat for this month, the beginning of this year. Are we going to have the $2 again? Or the market maker didn't buy yet around the 80 cents. Thank you for watching. And of course, we're going to have to discuss Beyond Meat by tomorrow again on our live streaming. So don't forget to tune in. So as we said, guys, for Beyond Meat is doing all right, but the trick is breaking the 95. For Open, on the other hand, look at this, guys. For Open, it didn't, yeah, it held the 565, so it's not bad completely, but we have to break the 685. What a crazy jump. Marvel trying to do a new high now. Yes, trying to do a new high, but not yet. We need the new high, man. Where's the bulls? Where's the bulls? Intel doing high after high. Does the Palantir know this one trying? And Marvel trying to do a new high as well here, but where's the bulls? Yeah, if it broke the 89, we're gonna have a new high right now for Marvel. B trying as well to break. Plug AMD. Yeah, AMD doing all right here. Intel doing fantastic. Marvel doing fantastic as well here. This is it for now, guys. We have to wrap up our live streaming. In the meantime, as we discussed before, we're gonna do a major update on our Discord later on our Discord and Patreon. The link in the comment section below, guys. Don't forget, if you want to have early access, early update, we always do it on Discord and Patreon. And of course, we see you back by Monday to discuss the market in depth and update the levels and take your question on the live streaming next Monday, 30 minutes before the market open. PNAI broke the resistance, everybody, and Lunar didn't break. SIDU broke. So BNI and SIDU are the top stocks for now. This is it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you all back by Monday. Have a great weekend. See you back by Monday.